I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video we are going to discuss the themes in To Kill a Mockingbird. So the first theme, it's not a theme, it's the significance of the mockingbird. Who is mockingbird? Mockingbird stands for the idea to kill innocence. To quote, "Remember it's a sin to kill a mockingbird," said by Atticus. Bob Ewell, who is sort of killing the mockingbird, the convict Tom Robinson, who is innocent but proved wrong by him and his daughter, Mayla Ewell. I hope you remember the names. If you don't, then click on this I button to go through the summary again. And if you are new to this video, then please do watch the summary of To Kill a Mockingbird that I have already made. Here's the link. So next theme is good versus evil. From childhood, the children, James and Scout, dramatized Boo Radley as a villain and a ghost figure. But little did anyone know about him. The neighbors judged him with their grudge and hatred, and passed down rumors from one to the other. They have never encountered any evil experience, but their perspective started changing as they grew up as adults. They saw the misery with the black man Tom Robinson, and their transition of experience changed. They were not prepared to witness the trial, hatred, prejudice, which changed their perspective to see as adults. From childhood, they assumed Boo Radley as a criminal or a murderer, but he is the one who saves James from the motives of evil. The third theme is racial conflict. To Kill a Mockingbird represents a moralistic view of racial prejudice. This conflict took two lives in the story. The portrayal of the whites are shown in two dimensions. On one side, whites are shown as non-racist and bad. On the other hand, whites are shown as racist and good. Bob Ewell is the white racist and bad. He accused falsely to Tom Robinson and tried to kill Atticus's children. Because Atticus is a white, non-racist and a good lawyer who was fighting for Tom till his last breath.